stretch out at, and also striking absolute luck with a wild camp right next to the sea.
It's ridiculously flat this morning. I feel like you could skim a rock across the sea. Yeah. Deacon's still sleeping.
After enjoying the calmness of the early morning, we could see it was going to be another almost cloudless sky, so we decided to get moving again and see what type of spot we'd find next. On the way, we followed old ruins that ran along the roadside, and it felt like we were finally getting deeper into Greece. It's not every day on the way to the supermarket that you find some ruins. So we're gonna, what are we doing? We're going to a dive shop to see if Dylan can find a replacement rubber thing for his speargun. Right? Yeah. And then we're gonna go food shopping. We have no food and we're extremely hungry. So we'll see what happens with that. And as far as camp stops go, we're not really sure. Yeah, last night's spot was really nice. Right on the beach, quite relaxing. Some entertainment with those paragliders, which I think we figured out was a bit of a class situation. Yeah, another beautiful day. So along with getting some food for the next couple of days, Dylan managed to find a replacement wishbone bit for his rubber on his speargun, as well as purchasing another one, so it has more power to shoot the fish.
More power.
More power.
Because it bounced off the big kahuna last night.
Yeah.
To be honest with the end bit, I think just broke as it was about to hit the fish. And then that caused me not to land the big kahuna.
The big kahuna. Now that we're doubly prepared, we shall have some fish one day. Yeah, so we've got 55 minutes left. The spot looks quite nice, hopefully. The water will hopefully be fruitful of fish. And then we'll be able to shoot one. So we found ourselves on the toll road.
Well, I don't think it was a toll road, I think it was just for the bridge, the tunnel, sorry.
Do you think?
Yeah.
It was, as you can see, that's €3.
Kind of toll road.
€3, which is all good. Finally, with no more foreseeable stops, we were heading to our final camp for the day. It was a longer drive than we had had for quite a while, breaking our under 40-minute rule for the last few weeks. Luckily, the day had turned out as stunning as predicted, so the drive was pretty easy going. How are you feeling?
Not bad, not bad. We will conquer.
Look at this jet here.
I want to get the camera ready. Here's the jet. The back.
After jumping out to take some photos of Nelly and the big boat, we hit the road again. This time we were leaving out of the mountains and back down to sea level.
Minutes away.
See, watch the sky fall. Watch the sky fall. We all fall. the sky falls,
we all fall down.
we all fall down.
Hey guys, so we've been here maybe 20 minutes and I've managed to already go for a dunk because it was really warm. And Dylan is actually currently spearfishing. He's setting out the new rubber and hopefully we've got fish for dinner on the menu, but if not we've got chicken, which is also very exciting for us. Yeah, he's just down there. I, on the other hand, have decided to come back to the van. You don't often get time apart living in this space, so it's quite nice to chill out by yourself for a little while. I'll keep an eye on what he's doing, but I'm gonna chill out for a little bit, open some wine, and then have some crackers as well, which is nice. And look at what Dylan persuaded me we absolutely needed. Value for money. Look at this beast! It's just feta, sheep and goat. I've used like not even a little corner for my crackers. And he was like, yeah, we need it. Why not? It's huge! Otherwise, that's gonna be my afternoon and I'll keep you updated. See if Dylan has any luck and catches anything. Bye!
Hey team, not quite sure you can see me that well, but oh well. Lovely little spot we have here again, which is quite ideal. Tomorrow we're going to keep moving on, going down the coast. We're quite enjoying this like hopping from place to place along the coastline. It's quite nice. I'm kind of soaking it up as much as possible because we know it's not going to last as we slowly head into winter. But for now, it's bloody marvellous. I went for a snorkel earlier out there. Unfortunately it was really murky. It's probably like only like 1 metre visibility, and then when I went up further I couldn't even see anything. So, and on top of that there was no reef, it was just muddy bottom, which is a bit unfortunate. But I do like the new speargun setup, which is pretty cool. But yeah.
Good morning. We're just deciding our route for today. What did you find out?
Oh well, we're not actually going to make it. There's a bridge to get down onto the Peloponnese kind of region. From near Patras. Yeah. There's a bridge. Yeah. Supposedly that costs like €13.
Just to cross it.
Which is crazy if it is €13, but regardless it looks like we're going to have to do it anyway because we want to come down here, cross the bridge and then hug the coast and then look to come back to Athens and then we'll look to go straight back up to Albania.
For today we're just going to drive an hour, I think.
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
Yeah, and right now I've got some Sudoku. Some coffee. Usually I do coffee and some work on the laptop, but the laptop's dead. So I'm replacing it for Sudoku! Yay! Anyway, we're about to jump out of bed anyway and get ready for today. So we'll check out with you guys later. After yesterday's long drive, we were lucky to find something closer to be able to enjoy more of the day while the sun was strong. We had locked into place seaside in the hope that Jill could play in the water with a spear gun. And this time, hopefully we could strike some luck.
You have arrived.
So we're currently in this like little cove. Tegan suggests that it looks like an old quarry, which could be. It's kind of weird, but kind of alright. Not sure. Have to think about it.
Yeah. I can't believe it. What's happened?
I got a fish. starting to get really cold, eh? I need to get a wetsuit. And I saw some dodgy guys hanging around the van with taking in it, so I come back. Anyway.
This is an amazing day for the Wildering Camper. We have got a fish.
Dun, dun, dun.
I didn't film him going out again because I was like, well, if I film him going out saying he's spearfishing and then doesn't catch anything again, then I've got another situation where I've hyped him up. Nothing. But this time, the stealthy man has caught one. Very excited. Bit of flour, bit of lemon. And she goes.
Caught 5 minutes before. We're hungry, so. Alright guys, got to go do this walk. I'm tired already thinking about it.
That's pretty cool.
Oh man.
Waking up in a hazy dream. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, that's for sure. Just letting you know, if you didn't know already, or if you're new to our channel, that we have a Patreon all set up. And if you sign up to our Patreon, basically there's some goodies that you can get that you can see. If you're one of the first 25, then there's a bit extra in it for you, along with extra video content, unseen content that won't make it to YouTube, and also just earlier release of our weekly episodes as well.
Extra, read all about it.
Yeah.
I guess for those that don't know as well, Patreon is basically just like a weekly subscription to our episodes. It's only a couple bucks and it just kind of helps us out, and also kind of gives us more driven to keep getting the content out to you as well. Things like cameras and stuff are really expensive, and even like the editing software, so any little bit helps. But yeah, check it out.
I think we've talked on a bit, so just give us a like if you liked it, or subscribe so you never miss an episode. Yeah, we'll see you next week.